Halo guys, jadi ini ada sebuah paket yang baru sampai sama aku. Dan ini sesuatu yang sebenarnya udah lama aku pengen. Tapi awalnya itu aku bukan pengen beli brand ini, tapi brand lain. Jadi gini loh, ini sesuatu yang udah lama aku pengen punya. Tapi karena aku ngerasa gini, karena aku udah nunggu untuk punya barang ini cukup lama. So I think like, why don't I wait for longer time tapi I buy the better quality of this product. That's why I wait for a bit. I want to buy something that expensive and better quality, but actually all of the better quality one, I just realized that the power, the electricity power is so high. It's higher than my home. So I will not able to use it even though I can buy it. So it's kind of like nonsense. So I just decided to find the cheap but with low power, so like at least I can use it. That's the most important thing for me now, because I just give up on the better quality one. Like for example, it's from, wait a minute, the better quality one are from Bailey's Pro or Remington. What else? There's many good quality hair dryer. This is a hair dryer, by the way. Ta-da! Here I think it's a white. It's from Panasonic and it's just I'm so excited. Like I never ever have a hair dryer in all of my life. I actually want to buy at least a Remington or Babyliss Pro, but I'm so sad because I cannot have it. Because the power is too strong, like too high, that my house. And I think that this is such a small hair dryer, so it will suit well when I'm travel. Like I can bring her. Oh, it cannot be. Oh, so it cannot be, like bended. It's made in Thailand. Thailand production. This is the manual book. This is the warranty card. So it's cool. See? Now I'm gonna try them. See, work or not. So excited. It's like this. Well, it looks cheap, it feels cheap, but it's only like 400 watt. This is number 1. It's kind of hot. Number 2 is a little bit strong. It's hard too. So it's working fine. Now I will take a bath and cleanse my hair, then I will use this immediately. I'm so excited. Like they have like a few different color, the blue one, the pink one, I think I know the black one, but I choose to have the white one because I really love the white color. And actually I was debating between Panasonic or Philips because they have the same like kind of price. I don't know what. Oh, maybe because the Panasonic is like all white, like there's only a little bit gray here, but the Philips one they have like a flower pattern here, so I don't really like that kind of pattern in my in my things. If possible, I want to avoid, like I want to keep it minimalist, so that's why I choose this one. But I hope it can last me for long, like as long as I probably can, because I don't actually use it a lot, but I really need it, especially because lately I'm only at home, and when I'm at home, usually after I clean myself, I want to lay down immediately, but I can't lay down immediately without my hair dry, because it will like make me have headache. My hair will be like smelly, so I don't want that to happen to my hair. I want to take care of my hair, but so I want to like dry them so I can do my things faster than usual. So that's the video of my hair dryer. Bye.